Oh, and welcome back to my channel. There's a hair. Okay, is it in front of my... Yeah, okay, I got it, I got the hair. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, my little ravens. I am Red. This is my channel, RottingRed. And this is the look we're gonna do today. I thought I wanted to try and do the intro backwards, I guess. Which is a little weird. But I guess it's fine, it's fun. Yeah, and we're doing this accidental Gogh Starry Night kind of vibes. I feel like it kind of looks like the whole, at least like the aesthetic this Starry Night painting have. So yeah, let's get started. Roll the clip. Yay, do it. so it looks interesting at least. I think I just want to go over real quick what products I use, because I feel like I forget to mention that. So this was my primer from Red n Wild, and I used this concealer from Revolution Beauty in 402, and I used this as a highlight. It's also a foundation from Revolution Beauty. It's called Conceal and Define. And then I used this little thing from Ives Merchant thing. It's like a duo bronzing thing. I have this for ages, and this was lipstick. It's from Cold Candy Cosmetics in the color Brutal, and from Sugar Pill in the color Sub-Zero. Is it focusing? I don't know if it is. And for palettes, makeup, eyeshadow, I used Sunset Horizon from Beauty Bay, and the collab with Nikki Tutorials from Beauty Bay too. And I used Suve Beauty Hydra Liner, this one in white called Space Panda. I used those to make the little wiggly dudes. And this is a useful eyeliner. This is also from Suve Beauty, and it's called Grease. Grease. Something dirty. My eyebrow pen, yeah, right. It's this one from Ardell called Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen in... This one is soft black. I can't remember. I used both. I have two. I can't remember. I think it's the same color. It's a black color, so. And that's kind of the products. But yeah, I hope you like this look. It wasn't really what I wanted to begin with. I wanted to do like kind of this color scheme, because I watched the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and my brain is literally only that. Basically, my entire brain is Marvel at the moment. Yeah, and it's great. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope you have a great day, a great week, a great month, and hopefully we will have a great year.